guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to show you a step-by-step on how to set up buy X get Y discount on Shopify. And a quick tip before we get started: while setting up your discount code, remember only one automatic discounts can be active at a time, so make sure your active dates doesn't overlap on each other. So yeah, let's go straight on today's tutorial and get started, and let's create our discount code. Okay, so now I am inside my Shopify dashboard, and let's go under discount section on the left hand side here and click discount. So over here you will find all the discounts that you have created on your store. And now we are going to create a buy one get Y. So let's click here discount, and when you select discount, this page will pop up that will show you all the discount type that are available in Shopify. So there is amount of product, which this is the sum of the money or percentage of on a specific item or a specific collection of products in your Shopify store. And then there is another one which is buy X get Y. So this means can be anything like when your customer are buying one item and get the second one for free, or buy two items and get the two ones for free, or maybe even buy one get the second one at a discounted price. Okay, then there is an amount of order. So this means the sum of the money or a percentage of the entire order. So and then there is a free shipping, whereby your customer are going to get a free shipping on their entire order. So instead of paying the shipping price, they are going to get a free shipping. So on today's video, we are going to do buy X get Y. Let's go ahead and click here. So on this box here, there is a section where you can put an automatic discount, and you can say maybe on this case we are going to do buy one get one free. Okay, so they're going to buy one item and then they're going to get the second one for free. Or this automatic discount will happen automatically when they add things on their cart. So your customer won't have to put any discount, it will just go automatic. And then over here there will be a discount code. Let's say maybe you want to say maybe free item. So this will be the code they're going to have to put on the checkout when they are on the checkout page. Or you can go ahead over here and click this one that say generate a random code, and this will be the random code. So on this case, I am not going to make my customer put the discount code. I'll just go with the automatic discount. So whenever they put the items on their shopping cart, they'll buy one item, so they'll pay for one item and they'll get the second one for free. And then on the customer buy over here, you have two options to put a minimum quantity of item or minimum purchase amount. In this case, if we go with the minimum quantity of item, meaning your customer have to buy one item. So this is going to be a minimum quantity. They have to buy one item for them to get the second one for free. And then over here on the any item from, you're going to pick what kind of product you want this discount to be applied on. So when we select that, you can select either specific product or you can select specific collection. So in my case, I am going to select specific product. And then on the browse, we are going to browse the product. Over here you will see all the products that are available on your website. So let's say you want to specific product to be applied with this discount, so you can go ahead and select the product. And for the other products that has two variants or more than one variant, you can go ahead and select maybe only one. You want only one variant of this product to be applied on the discount. You want another color of this product to be sold on a full price, meaning maybe let's say this color is one of the best selling product on your website, and you don't want it to be you don't want to provide a discount on it, so you can just unselect that. You can just leave it as how it is, so your customer can pay full price of it. And same goes to the other one. If you want all of them for the discount to be applied on, you can go ahead and select it, and maybe some of them you just want two colors, and two colors your customer have to pay full prices. Okay, and once you're done, you can go ahead and click here add, and all your products will be added here. And let's say you don't want specific product you just change your mind. So you can just go ahead and use the X1 to take out those products, and they won't be applied on the discount. So only selected item will be chosen for your customer to get this buy one get one for free. Now let's scroll down. Down here, customer must add the quantity of items specified below to their cart for these to also be applied. So you are going to put the quantity, how many quantity you want them to be applied on their cart. So we're gonna put one quantity, and then let's go on the items form. We are going to select specific product. So I am going to click here, specific product, or if you can go on specific collection. So I'm just going to say specific product, and then I am going to browse, and then I am going to select the items that I want them to be applied on this. And on this case, I'm just going to say, let's put this one, okay, and maybe this. Okay, so the customer must add quantity of items specified below, and then down here below we're going to select the discount value of this discount. So do you want it to be on a term of percentage? On this case, if you're going to put maybe a discount percentage, this will definitely be 100% because it's a buy one get one free. But and then on the amount of each, you can put the amount of product that they could actually get a discount on it. For example, on this case there is $16.99, so you can put the price there. But to make this process easy and simple, we are doing buy one get one free. Let's go ahead and select free. Okay, and then on this section here where it says set a maximum number of users per order, we are going to select this box and put I want my customer to use this discount only once. So make sure to set this box and put the number of times the customer can use this discount per each user per order. That way you can save money. If you don't put the maximum number here your customer can use on different orders, then you're going to lose money. So make sure you put your maximum number here. Okay, and then here on the availability, so this will be automatically applied on all sales channel you have set up on your Shopify store. Even if you have physical location, you can also apply that. This can be available in store as well as online. So if you have a physical store, you can go ahead and select it. In my case, I don't have it, so it's just gonna be available online. Next, we are going on the combination. This discount buy one get one free can be combined with either if you have another sale going on, like a product discount or order discounts or shipping discount. So if you have a free shipping or any sales that is on other products, you can select it here. But in my opinion, so if you can select there, but you see, as I selected this here, Shopify is gonna give a warning like some combination can result in a large discount, and we don't want to offer large discounts, meaning you are going to lose money in your business. So make sure to be careful. On my case here, I am not going to select any other combination of discounts, which I will also recommend you not to do the same. If you have multiple discounts going on around your website, don't combine all of them here. This is why we are going to the active date. So this will be great if you know you have other discounts going on, and so make sure you pick specific dates that doesn't mixed up with the other discounts that are going on your store. That way you won't lose money, so and it won't also affect your store. So I'm just gonna say this discount is gonna be starting on this day, since I have another discount going on currently in my store, and it starts on the 23rd and ends here. So I'm just gonna say this discount should actually apply from this date to the other date. Also, you can set up the time, like what time you want this discount to be active, and also if you want this discount to keep going, you can leave it as how it is. Or you can set up the end date, which is really good, so you don't run like sell like throughout the season, which you're gonna lose so much money. So make specific date, the start date and the end date, so you can close that discount and see if it actually generates you profit, or if this discount also is bringing you more sales or more customers and things like that. And then go ahead and set up your end date, and you can also put the what time you want this discount to end. Again, pay attention on the combinations here, that you don't want your customer to have to use so many discounts, because you're going to end up losing money. And yeah, and also the maximum number can be used per order. Make sure you set up here your limits. This way it can help you a lot on your business. So that was pretty much it. And on this section here, when you come here, you will see a summary of how you actually the summary of your discount you created from here. You will see the summary here. So we created a buy one get one free, which is an automatic discount, and what type. This is what type of discount it is. So this is a buy X get Y type of discount, and these are the details. It's only for online store, and your customer can buy only one item and they can get one item for free, and this can be used only once per order, and they can combine with other discounts that are available on your store currently. And also, this is active from this day and end on this date. So this is the summary of the discount that you created. So once you're done setting up everything, let's go ahead and click save. And then if we go back here, Shopify is going to tell us that we have successfully created our buy one get one free discount. So this is a buy X get X type of discount. And if we go back here, and this is one of our discount that is available on our store. And this discount here is the amount of product based. So if you want to know how to do this, I am going to link the video down below on my description. And let's go ahead and refresh it and see our discount we created. And there we go. You will see the status also. This is the discount we created, and this is the status, meaning it is scheduled. It's not active as of yet. It is scheduled. So, and this is an automatic type of discount, and the type of a discount is the buy X get Y, and this is the combination. There is no combination. And we also see the number this discount has been used so far. Okay, so when you click here on the active, when you click all, you'll see all the discounts available on the active. When you click active, you'll see only active discounts that are going on right now on your store. And then you can also see the scheduled one here, and if you have expired discount, they will all be displayed over here. So that was it for this tutorial, guys. I hope this video was really helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye for now.